Good morning, children. Open your book Genesis, page number 25. Unit 2, My World and Surrounding. Lesson 5, Our Neighborhood. What do you mean by neighbors? The people which live near our house is called neighbors. Do you know that? What is the neighborhood? Neighborhood means all the places, all the things which are present around our house, like a market, park, hospitals. They make our neighborhood. Okay, so in this lesson we will study about our neighborhood. Okay, so shall we start? We live in our house. There are many other houses near our house. They are houses of our neighbors. Neighbors are the people who live near our home. All the houses around us, along with the market, park, hospital, schools, etc., make up our neighborhood. Children living in a neighborhood play together. Neighbors help each other when needed. We must greet our neighbors every day. Let us learn about what we find in our neighborhood. So we live in our house, and in our houses there is there some pupils live near our house. They are called neighbors, and the places which are present near our houses are market, park, hospitals. They make the neighborhood. Okay, and the childrens, they play together, and the childrens living in a neighborhoods play together, and neighbors, all the neighbors, they greet each other very politely, and they meet with each other. Okay, so we have to greet our neighbors very politely. Okay, now our neighborhood. First one is hospital. A hospital is a place. A hospital is a place where we go when we fall ill or sick. The doctor examines us and prescribe medicines. Nurse take care of the patients. Hospitals have the ambulances that carry very weak patients who need intermediate treatment and care. So, hospital is a place where we go when we fall ill or sick, and doctor examine. This is the doctor who examine us and prescribe the medicine, and she is a nurse. Nurse take care of the patient, and hospitals have the ambulance which carry the very sick patient, and who need the immediate treatment. Okay, so first neighborhood is hospital. Then post office. This is a post office. A post office is a place which sends and receives our letters, many money orders, postcards, parcel, etc., from one place to other. It helps us to keep in touch with our friends and relatives who stay in far off places. We post our letters in letter box outside the post office or near our house. The postman collects these letters and send them to their destinations. So this is the post office. This post office is a place where we send and receive our letters, money orders, and postcards from one place to another place. Okay, and this post office keep us in touch with our relatives. Okay, who lives very far away. Okay, and we post our letters in letter box, which is present outside of the post office or near our house, and postmen collect these letters and send to their destination. Okay, so this is the work of the post office. Next neighborhood is railway station. A railway station is a place where train arrive and depart. We board a train from the railway station to travel to the distant place. We also get down at a station where we need to reach. We have to buy tickets before boarding the train. We buy tickets from the ticket counters or through online registration. So this is a railway station. Here the train is present. So in railway station is place where the train arrive and depart, and we board in a train from the railway station to travel to the distinct places. Okay, and first of all, before going to any place, we have to buy the ticket from the ticket corner or through online we can registered. Okay, and after buying the ticket we can board in a train to travel from one place to another place. Okay, so this is the work of the railway station. Now the activity time. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. A letter box is used for posting letter. This is correct one. A letter box is used for posting the letters. Okay. Buses arrive and departure from railway station? No. From the railway station, the train arrive and departure. Ambulance are used to carry patient who are very ill. It's a correct one. All the neighbors who are near to our house form our neighborhood. All the neighbors who are near to our house form our neighborhood. Neighbors form the neighborhood, but also the market, railway station, police station, schools, they also form the neighborhood. So this is not a true statement. Okay, this is the false statement, because only the neighbors not form the neighborhood. That's why. Now our activity completed. Come to the next neighborhood, police station. A police station is a very important place. A police station has policemen who protect us by catching the robbers and the thieves. The policemen and the policewoman also maintain law and order. A police station is typically under the command of a police inspector. The traffic police control the traffic on the roads. So here you can see the police station. Police station is also important neighborhood, and policemen protect us from the robbers and the thieves. Okay, and policemen and policewomen, they maintain the law and order in our country and our city. A police station is under the command of police inspector, and traffic police is different. So traffic police control the traffic on the roads. Okay, so we have learned here the police about the police station. Now come to the school. A school is a place of learning. Teachers teach students how to read and write. They also teach them good manners and morals. Students also learn to recite, act, dance, play games, draw, and do many activities. So like our schools, this is a school. So school is a place of learning where teacher teaches the student to read and write. Okay, and they also teaches us good manners and morals. And here the student also learn about the dance, acting, recites, and play games, draw, and many other sports like activities. Okay, so school is a place of learning. Now, next one is market. Every neighborhood has a market with shops selling many things of daily use. People buy food, grains, fruits, vegetables, stationeries, medicines, etc. from the market. There are many shops in the market like grocery stores, stationery shops, medical store, bakery, milk booth, fruits and vegetable shops, etc. We also find tailors, garment shops and other services in a markets. So markets, this neighborhood is a market where the many shops are present and people buy different things like food, grains, vegetables, stationeries and medicines from the market. So here you can see some of the shops like greengrocers, stationery shops, bakery shops and medical stores. So these form all these forms the markets. Okay, and they provide us a different services. Now come to next one, bank. A bank is a place where we deposit and withdraw our money. Jewelry is safely placed in a lockers of the bank. We can withdraw money from our accounts whenever we need it. We can also take a loan for buying a car, house, etc. We can withdraw money anytime from the ATMs. So bank is a place where we deposit and withdraw our money. We can also kept our jewelries in a locker of a bank, and we can withdraw our money from our accounts whenever we need it. We can also take the loans for the car, for buying a car and houses. And apart from the bank, we can also withdraw the money anytime from the ATMs. Okay, so we have learned here many neighborhoods. Okay, how many neighborhoods? Railway station, police station, school, market, bank, post office, all these neighborhoods. Here our lesson completed. Understand everybody? Thank you.